main system. Activating combat mode.
Commence mission. Destroy the Rubicon Liberation Front transport choppers. Confirmed. Transport chopper down. Keep it at 621.
We're under attack! The corporate first! Intercept! Come off the supply!
There, take it out.
First silent team! Defend our supply! Corporation!
Confirmed. Target destroyed.